Today I'll show you how to get cash out at the ATM in Japan. International cards are accepted at 7 Bank, which is in 7-Eleven convenience stores, which are everywhere. You can also use cash machines at the post office and some cash machines in Family Mart and Lawson, but 7-Eleven's a good one to go for. They're open really late. I think some of them are even 24 hours. Yep. Card transaction. Insert your card. Read in your card. You can select your language. Some nice fish. You want a withdrawal. If your card charges you international transaction fees, they will be charged. That's down to your bank. You can check this on your bank's website. I have one card that's commission free for purchases in foreign currencies and one that's free for cash withdrawals. Select your account type, credit, saving or checking.
I think it's checking.
Checking.
But I'm going to hit skip.
Yeah. Enter your PIN.
They're nice buttons.
Phil just said they're nice buttons, if you didn't hear that. So we'll pick other amounts. We just want to get 1,000 yen today. Yep, 1,000 yen. Confirm. Processing your transaction. So the cash withdrawal, it shows you the exchange rate. Converted amount £5.38. There's no ATM transaction fee, that's good.
I'm going to choose Japanese yen because I know my card's good for that.
Good. If you get the choice, it's always best to choose the local currency so you're not charged extra fees. That's true when you're buying things as well. Oh, there's the receipt. The magical door reveals the money. You might need to blur this a bit. There we are, easy. This is a controversial opinion, but personally I prefer to take cash with me just in case my cards don't work. They're almost always fine, but there was a time when I went to the USA and the bank blocked my card. Imagine how stuck you'd be if you didn't have any money in Japan. If you buy yen before you travel, you do always lose a little bit to the Bureau de Change when they take their cut, whereas if you withdraw it from an ATM in Japan, you get the actual exchange rate. I'd recommend keeping an eye on the exchange rate on xe.com. If you buy when the exchange rate's high and it goes down before your trip, you've locked it in at a high rate. Of course, it is a bit of a gamble, and these days, who knows what's going to happen. So where do I get my yen? I always use the travel money calculator on Money Saving Expert to see where has the best rate at the time and pick somewhere that seems reliable. But that is just for the UK. So just a short video this week as I'm ill. I have a whole video about money in Japan with lots more tips. It's a few years old, but it still does the job. And if you want an idea of how much things cost in Japan, check out these more recent videos. My book has help with money, budgeting, and lots more practical tips than most guidebooks. I hope that's helpful, and I'll see you soon.